Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge shapes in PowerPoint. First, let's create some shapes. Now, let's add different colors to each shape to make them easier to distinguish. Next, select all the shapes, go to the Shape Format tab, and click on the drop-down menu under Merge Shapes. From here, you can choose the type of merge you want. For this video, I chose the first option, Combine. As you can see, the shapes are now merged. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.